Poco F6 and Poco F6 Pro are getting official on May 23rd. The upcoming Poco F6 and Poco F6 Pro now have an official unveiling date, May 23rd. The event will take place in Dubai at 15 o'clock local time, which is 11 o'clock GMT, 12 o'clock in the UK, 13 o'clock CET, 14 o'clock in Eastern Europe, and 16:30 in India. There will of course be a live stream, which we'll share closer to that day. The tagline for the event, as you can see, is HyperPower Evolved. The Poco F6 Pro is expected to be a rebranded Redmi K70, as inadvertently revealed by Xiaomi. It's going to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, and it will have a 5000 mAh battery. On the other hand, the Poco F6 should go with the Snapdragon 8 South Gen 3, which will make for interesting performance comparisons between the two. The Poco F6 is also rumored to get a 50MP main camera with the Sony IMX882 sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide, and a 20MP selfie snapper with an Omnivision OV2 OB sensor. The F6 Pro should get a 50MP main camera too, along with 120W charging support.